Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT hasn't given us any indication that this wave 1 rally is over yet. Keeps pushing. We did say many times that if QNT is starting, then it can go quite quickly. It's now entering a range, however, where we have quite a bit of chop. Okay, so that means if we add the VRVP to this chart, which is the volume profile, you can see that this is an area of increased previous trading activity. So it will potentially be difficult for the price to get through. If the price pushes through this like a knife through butter, okay, then this would a bullish signal, because normally you would expect in a more bearish market that this is going to take a while now, as QNT spent months in this range. Now, if it just goes through here, it would be quite bullish, and actually, from a bullish point of view, very preferable. However, we would like to see at some point a wave 2 pullback. Before that wave 2 pullback happens, however, I would like to see a clearer 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and then the ABC pullback in a wave 2. So anyway, we did highlight that we provisionally, tentatively assume the low is in now. We will only really get evidence in the first deeper pullback. I always need to say that because I need to avoid that people just ape in like crazy without any risk management. So you need to understand that this is still a very young trend, could still break down. And the first evidence, the first strong evidence, proof that we get that QNT is turning around is after the first impulse, the 3-wave corrective pullback. And if the bulls can hold in a deeper pullback, a higher low, that is then good confirmation that also a 3rd-wave rally, as shown here, should unfold. There isn't much more to add. I mean, next resistances are round about $113 here, these previous swing highs, and then very important is this range around $119, $120. What I wanted to talk about is on the larger time frame. We talk about this larger wave 1. So overall, if really a new bull run has started, okay, and that's what we focus on until support levels break. Then, I mean, you can always get more exotic patterns like a larger ABC and then down again. But for now, we focus on higher until support levels break, and we will adjust the support areas regularly to understand when the trend might be breaking. But let's assume we are in this larger 3rd wave there to the upside. Important to understand is, okay, where could this wave 1 peak? Yeah, I'm not talking about the wave 1 on the smaller time frame. Basically, this here would likely be the wave 1 of the wave 1 I'm showing you right now. Ideally. Yeah, because this wave 1 here on the larger time frame ideally subdivides into 5 subwaves. Now, typically, to talk about the target of a wave 1 of wave 3, we take the length of the larger degree wave 1, we go to the wave 2, and then we're looking for at least the 38.2 extension. That's, for example, what Veracity has reached recently. So do not be surprised if QNT gets there quickly. So Veracity has reached that target in the most recent rally, and therefore, yeah, don't be surprised if QNT also reaches that. That's at $163. It's the minimum target that you would normally call out for a wave 1 of wave 3. Could also go to the 61.8 extension level if 163 is breaking. So that's something to watch for as well. This, funny enough, co-aligns or aligns with those previous tops here, yeah, the X wave high and the wave 1 high that was made in October last year. So there should be some structural resistance and its Fibonacci resistance. So watch for reactions at these levels. Then we should see a wave 2 pullback afterwards. But really, I can only give you a pullback target for it as soon as we have the wave 1 complete. But what we know is that sometimes then they do come back to the 23.6 Fib level. So pullback could be in the region then around 126. Then it should rally higher in a 3rd wave. That might even reach, then we talk about crazy levels. So we would then need to look at the subdivisions again, right? But we talk about around about $700 to maybe even $1,300 as a realistic all-time high target. But we need to take that, at the moment with a pinch of salt. We need to watch for how the subdivisions develop. Yeah, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.